Students, welcome you all in Rishikul online classes. This is the module 2 of lesson natural disaster. Students, in this module you will learn about two natural disasters, earthquakes and cyclone. First of all, I will tell you about earthquakes. Earthquakes are sudden movements under the earth's surface. Amongst thousands of earthquakes every year, most are small tremors that go unnoticed. Earthquakes occur suddenly and cannot be predicted. The scientific study of earthquake is called seismology. The point under the earth from where an earthquake originates is called focus, and the point directly above the focus on the earth's surface is called an epicenter. The effect of an earthquake is the maximum around the epicenter. Earthquakes can lead to some other natural disasters also, like avalanches, landslides, and tsunamis. Students, there are some precautions that a person should take when earthquake occur. Get out of the building, whether home, school, or office. Use stairs and not use lift to leave the building. Stay away from buildings, trees, and power lines. In case unable to leave the buildings, sit under a heavy table. Some other natural disasters are blizzards, landslide, volcanic eruptions, tornadoes, wildfires, tsunamis, and avalanche. Next natural disaster is cyclones. Now, cyclone students, this is occur in India frequently. Cyclones are violent storms that form over seas or oceans and cause destructions as they reach the shore. Cyclones are accompanied by heavy showers and high speed winds. The whole coastal belt of India is prone to cyclones, especially the states of West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. In 2014 October, the eastern coast of India faced a very powerful cyclone named Hudhud, which caused a lot of destruction to the coastal areas of Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. There are some safety measures that a person should follow, or when cyclones occur before cyclone arrives. So, what should you do? Listening to radio or watching television for warning and advice. Moving to a safe place before the cyclone hits the area. Storing food and drinking water. Making a list of emergency numbers. Staying away from seas and oceans. Students, in this module, you have learned that earthquakes are caused by sudden movements under the surface of the earth, and cyclones are storms developed over seas or oceans. Areas near the coast are prone to cyclones. Thank you.